Hello and welcome to CIO500 Event and Accelerator Awards. Today it is the second event in Hyderabad. Uh, it is not the second event in Hyderabad though, it is the second event in India. First event we kick-started from Chennai, and this is the second one in Hotel ITC Kohinoor in Hyderabad. I have been speaking to the people about their experience about this format of the event, plus trying to understand the trend of the market, whether it is AI, ML, or it is no code, no code influencing the organization in their uh, enhancement of proficiency and growth of the workforce. With me is Mr. Akash Sureka. He is the founder of TheNoah.ai. Mr. Sureka, thank you very much for
Thank you.
taking time out and coming here, joining this event,
Thank you, Sanjay.
and being part of the source of inspiration and source of content for the people who are available here.
Thank you, Sanjay, so much. Very glad and pleasure to be with you and associated with CI500.
Thank you, thank you. This is also a pleasure on our part hosting you. Uh, the first one is that everybody do not dare to do 10 city events. They either do one or at the max two city events. But this time we thought of doing 10 city events.
Nice.
What is your impression of this? Moving from one city to 10 city, is it advantageous or something else that you are thinking?
No, absolutely. I think, first of all, congratulations, Sanjay. I think it's a tedious job and it's hard work to go across India, do such kind of events in all cities, have so much of group of people who come from diversified businesses and all the technology leaders. No, I think it's wonderful. By the way, it's absolutely advantageous. You get to know different businesses of different locations of different zones in the country, right? They have their own flavors, they have their own challenges. It differs when you go from south to north to west to east, because businesses have different nature of their geographies and their offerings. Some are limited across India, some are in certain zones. So I think it's very, very helpful to understand their perspective. What are they going through? What are the new innovations they are doing through? And it helps us also to kind of to spread the word about what's coming in new, especially from our side as TheNoah.ai. We just kind of coming out of our nest, as you know. And thanks for having us with you. So absolutely helpful for everybody, just not us. Everybody who comes in the room, they learn different challenges and successes and benefits. So we are very glad and absolutely I agree with you.
Thank you very much. Now the question comes that all of a sudden industry has evolved, or it is also evolving.
Yeah.
From IT to digital plus AI, digital plus secure AI. There are a lot of AIs happening.
Correct.
Ethical AI. I was supposed to do one session with somebody very senior in US on ethical AI.
Okay.
So you have been there in this industry for long. You have been serial entrepreneur also. Now you have landed on the technology which is emerging and thriving also. That's AI plus low code and no code.
Correct.
It is making people smarter, better,
Yes.
right? So how do you see the scenario unfolding?
No, I think, look, actually they stop down, right? What has been happening is boards, managements, businesses have been asking, hey, how can you become more faster, right? How do you grow faster quarter on quarter, year on year, right? And if you have to do that, how do you grow your revenues faster? And then you have to show your profits, right? So how do you reduce your cost? How do you get better margins? How do you get better operational profits and so on and so forth, right? And I think technology has always been helping one or other, right? So if you remember earlier, there were legacy applications sitting on data centers.
Right.
cloud came in, it started reducing the cost, increased the speed, helping the businesses to move faster, right? Reducing the operating margins and so on and so forth, because you don't have capex now to take care of, right? As an example, RPA came in, robotic process automation, right?
RPA, yes.
They started help or automating, I would say, mundane tasks, which are rule-based tasks. I mean, it did help. Many processes were rule-based, right? There was no intelligence in that. It's just simple rule-based, right? For example. The next step was always how intelligently you can solve those problems of automation, right? Which will help you to move faster, reduce the cost, right? And then you can show your board that you are growing year on year, 100%, 200%, 300%. So I think everybody is obviously looking at AI. In some countries, it is matured. For example, in the Western world, I think we are catching up quite a lot. We have a lot of our indigenous technologies also. We are also adopting other technologies out of US. We are building a lot of technologies, right, as a country, right? So I think all companies are moving very fast. They are adopting AI. There are challenges, which is where we come in as a full zero code AI. Right? AI is helping to do zero code in a lot of areas to automate.
yeah.
We are doing zero code for AI because AI is a complicated technology, right? And we want to abstract the technology for a lot of people who don't understand AI. It takes time to learn AI and so forth, and still move faster than what AI itself can do, right? So we are just helping to move to the next stage, and many companies will start adopting that scenario because they want to make sure that technology is helping, but they don't want to spend like millions of dollars around it and then start failing, right? Which is where we come in. We do it lowest cost, fastest speed, and and most easiest way, basically, right? So
Excellent, excellent. So, what is the roadmap? Take us through the roadmap or the growth of Noah.ai. What is your vision? Is it that you will? It is a startup. These days, I'm just jumping into the conclusion. The startups are raising millions of dollars through different sources, especially NSE BSE registration.
yeah.
So, what is in your mind? What is the journey that you want to traverse?
No, absolutely. Look, we are taking slightly different approach as TheNoah.ai. As I said, we are fully zero code AI platform as a service. Our vision is to completely transform the foundation of AI and how the companies adopt AI, right? We want to completely transform that foundation of company AI adoption and experiences eventually, right? We want to completely automate end to end so that companies can focus on businesses, right? And we can help them to automate at zero code, lowest talent, lowest dependencies, lowest cost, fastest speed, right? And take companies to the next level, basically. So yeah, we will be looking out because we're already getting a lot of interest, by the way, thanks to you also. And we have a lot of partners now signed up. Great interest from a lot of companies because everybody wants to do this faster. They don't want to deploy hundreds of people to do this, right? So that's where we come in, zero code again. And then what people were doing in months and years, we're doing in minutes and days now, right?
Yeah.
To deploy AI in the company. So our vision is very simple. We want to transform the whole foundation of how companies adopt AI and experiment AI, basically, right?
All right, and that's very good one. And what is the next thing from customer adoption point of view? How many logos that you want to add? How many big logos that you have already added?
Yeah. No, look, we already have around 10 plus logos, which have started to agree to work with us now. We have a pipeline of around 1,000 plus logos now.
Excellent.
We feel that we should, by end of this calendar year, we should have 100 logos at least working with us, one or other way. And because for them also it's very easy, right? It's completely self-serve. They can come and try, experiment, innovate, adopt, in minutes and days, right? So we feel that that's our shy budget of getting 100 logos. We should go for more, but
That's
100
very
logos
modest.
for sure.
Yes.
Yes.
If you are restricting to India also, there are tens of thousands of companies.
Yes.
7,000 plus are already registered in NSE.
And we are going both India and US, by the way.
Okay.
India, we have natural value proposition because we are the lowest cost. So if we were spending $5 million, we'll do it at 10x lesser cost. So India is that way is natural value proposition for us anyway. But obviously US, Europe, India, all are our key markets.
All right, great to learn from you. Get to know that your roadmap is not only India, it is beyond the boundaries.
Yes.
And boundaries jumping into the trans-Atlantic, Pacific also.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much, and
Thank
wish
you
you
so much.
all the best.
Thank you so much.
Take bigger steps and let us have our partnership going also.
Absolutely.
And do great jobs.
Thank you so much, Sanjay. Thank you. Bye.